Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marta. I come from Norway and I love makeup, especially indie makeup and sparkly things. And today, as you might see if you have been here before on my channel, I'm not in the same place where I usually am because I'm actually on vacation in Sweden because it's my birthday tomorrow when I'm filming this, because I'm filming this on the 6th of August and my birthday is the 7th, and I'm on vacation with my family in my mom's house in Sweden. So I'm just enjoying my vacation here and I thought I would just show you what is in my travel makeup bag. But before we get into this video, I'm so happy to say that I have partnered up with Ana Luisa, which is a sustainable luxury jewelry brand, and I first heard about them on Angelica Nyqvist and Amy Loves Makeup's channels because they have both been partnering up with Ana Luisa before, and I just thought their jewelry was so beautiful and I was so happy when they asked me if I wanted to partner up with them as well. And I did not get any payment for doing this video, but they did send me 3 beautiful pieces that I am wearing today, and I will show you some close-ups of them soon. And just some information about the brand. As I said, they are a sustainable jewelry brand and they do use recycled materials whenever it's possible. They founded the brand in 2018 with the goal of becoming carbon neutral, a goal which they achieved in 2020, which is so amazing. And you can read more about how they achieved that and how they calculate it on their website, which I will leave a link to down below in my description box. They do have a lot of different styles, which I can show you just some screenshots from my phone. Browsing their website, they have so many beautiful designs, so you can definitely find something no matter what you're interested in. And they are actually having a 20% summer sale now that ends, I think it is the 20th of August, and you can use my code MartasMakeup10 to get an additional 10% off of their products on their website. And as I said, I got to choose 3 different pieces from their collection, and I chose 2 types of earrings, which I am wearing here, and I also chose a necklace right here. And the necklace that I chose is in the style Gabby. It is very like dainty and celestial. It has a star design and then it has cubic zirconia in the like diamond parts, and then you have synthetic opal in the middle, which is just so beautiful because you can really see the color shifts from like green to red and kind of like rainbow colors in it. So I did choose 2 different pairs of earrings, and the main ones that I chose is the ones that I have on right here. The style of this pair is called Celeste, and you have both a star on the one side and you have a moon on the other side. You can of course choose which one to wear on which side, and I just love that they're asymmetrical and they're just really beautiful and elegant. And the other pair that I chose is called Elios, and those are a little bit smaller and daintier because I like to have that for like the second pair of earrings so that I can have the main focus on the first ones. And these still have like that really cool design with the stars, so it really matches the other pieces that I chose, which I'm so happy about. And I just love how all of these pieces look together. All of their pieces start at $39 US, and as I said, you get an additional 10% off using my code MartasMakeup10 and using the link down below in my description box. And the link is not affiliated if that's something you are curious about. But now let's just get started with what's in my makeup travel bag. So usually when I travel, I just use one of the Kaleidos makeup boxes, as you can see here. This is the one that came with the Angelica collab. This is a small box. So in this box, I decided to put all of my complexion products. So you can see those here, together with the lashes that I chose to bring this time. And I chose 2 new lashes from Glam shop that they gifted me. So we have the Lila lashes right here, and then the other ones I'm already wearing. For my foundation, I just brought the Lumene CC Color Correcting Cream with SPF 20. It's in the shade Ultra Light and I just love this for summer. I did also bring 2 concealers just because my favorite combo is using these 2 together, and it is the Glam Shop concealer in shade number 2. It's a little bit yellowy neutral, and then it's the Pretty Fresh concealer from Colourpop in the shade Fair 05W, so it's the warm one, but it's very fair, so I kind of need to mix it with something a little bit deeper. For some reason I have my Inglot Dural in here, but that is just something I use with my Stila Smudge Proof eyeliner pot, which I have in the other makeup bag, which is by by the way, also the new one from Glam Shop. It's so beautiful. I did bring 2 different cream blushes. This is Fielding from FRECK, which I love. It's the one I used today. And then I also brought my NYX Sweet Cheeks cream blush, which is in the shade Almost Famous, which is just a beautiful orangey blush. I've also been getting more into cream products like in general, so I also brought my Sol Body Bronzing Balm, and this one is in the shade Light, which is just a very like warm bronzing balm. For my primer, I brought my The Ordinary High-Adherence primer because I just love this one. And I did also add my brow products in here, which is the Brow Mascara in Dark from Glam Shop, and then it is a brow product from the Norwegian brand Makeup Mecca, which is kind of like a brow tint, and it has gel on one side and the tint on the other, which I just love. The powder that I chose to bring this time is the Zero Sebum powder from Etude House, and this one I can use both under my eyes but also on the whole face. And of course I brought some cream products as well, and I brought those in this palette because this one fits perfectly into that box, so I just put this on top. And in here you can see I have the Invisible powder from Glam Shop, I have one of their blushes, I have their bronzer, and I have the contour powder that I used from them. Then I also brought the black shadow Baba Yaga. I brought a cream shadow also from Glam Shop. This is one of their velvets that I use for the inner corner, and here we have some other inner corner shades. This I think is Chromatic Elixir from Tammy Tanuka. We have Handful of Freckles, which is one of my favorite inner corner shades, and this one is the newest one that I haven't even used yet from Glam Shop. It's not new for them. It's called Blyskotka. I'm not sure what it's called in English. And then I have some other lighter shades. These are from Kristen Lee, and this one is Pulsar from Tammy Tanuka, which is just a beaming purpley blue shade, and this is Halo by Luxie Beauty, which is one of my all-time favorite highlighters. And of course here you can see one of my Nabla blushes, just a peachy pink blush. And I also brought all of my Glam Shop pigments because they just sent me all of them in PR, so I just brought all of them in case I have time to do a swatch video with them. So we will see. I hope to have it up maybe in a couple of weeks, but I am definitely eager to be swatching them. It's all of their foils and all of their loose dust pigments, which also are great additions to like my summer looks that I will be doing while I'm on vacation. Then we have this other bag, and it has like a small pouch here on the side. So in this one I put kind of like all my glues. So this is the Glam glue. Then we have the BH Cosmetics Space Booster right here, which is a little bit more creamy. And then I also have my lash glue in here. And all the rest of the things that are in here are actually just liners. So it's both eyeliners and lip liners. So for the liners I chose to bring with me, I chose the Stay Peachy one from Beauty Bay. I just really like that one if I want like a peachy pink look. And I don't know why I brought the ink one that I have. It's a black liner because it's empty. And then I also brought their liner in Minted. And then I have this one right here, which is the white core crayon from Linda Hallberg. Then for the lip liners I tried to pick a few different ones. So I have a few neutral ones like this one. I just lost the lid on it. It's called Beeper from Colourpop. Then we have this one, which is Oasis from Colourpop. It's more of a warmer pink. And my absolute favorite liner is this one from Guerlain. It's not something I bought myself, it's something I got gifted. This is in the shade Brun Chocolat, and it's just my favorite if I use red lipstick because it's a little bit deeper and it just makes it really easy to overline the lips. And then I also brought this one from Colourpop, which is the BFF4 one, which is more of a deeper brown. And the last one is Pamela from Glam Shop. It's definitely one of my favorite ones because it's kind of like a nudish, orangey, deeper brown shade. Oh, and also in the side here I do have my Smashbox Primer, which is what I use for my eye primer every day. And then for the rest of inside here I have the lipsticks that I brought. I brought some from Proper Beauty because they are some of my favorite lipsticks. This one is in Prowess, which is more of like an orangey one. It's a little bit deeper. I will just open them all up and show you. So this is Profits by Proper Beauty. It's a brownish warm tone. Then it's Prowess right here. It's a little bit lighter I feel like, but also quite warm toned. I brought this one from Colourpop, which is in the shade Can You Even. It's what I'm wearing here, so it's quite neutral but also warm toned. Then I brought Biskoptova, I think it's called Biscuit, from Glam Shop, which is a lighter, more nude one for me. And I also brought another one from Glam Shop, which is called Rosy. I think it means rose or pink, I'm not quite sure, but it's just a cooler toned, more pink neutral lip shade. And for a red one, I did bring this one, which I've been meaning to use for so long. It is in the shade Vabik from Glam Shop, and I'm so curious about this formula, so I hope I will use it soon. So for the rest of the products in this one, I do have all of the Nude Mandala collection from Glam Shop because I wish to film with it very soon. It's just I have a lot of things to say about it, so I have not had the time to like get my thoughts together and actually film something because I've been working a lot, so I haven't really been filming anything. But I will be doing a separate video on that, hopefully also during my vacation. But I also do have like my mascara from Glam Shop. I have lash curler and just the brow laminate from Glam Shop, which I've been loving. And since I told you I was bringing the whole nude collection by Glam Shop, I have the mirror that I got from them. I wonder if you can like see my view right here. I have like the beautiful Swedish nature out. So this is actually my view outside right now. It's so beautiful, and it's even more beautiful when it's not cloudy outside. But yeah. I of course also bought the Nude Palettes by Glam Shop because I'm going to do a video on those, and I actually did a look with those today, but I did not film it, and I did actually follow a tutorial by Zmalowana. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so I'm so sorry if I'm completely butchering it, but I will leave a link down to the video if you want to do something similar, because I just followed that tutorial. Not sure if I used the similar shades, but I am very happy with how the look turned out anyway. So these are the shimmer palette shades, and here you have the neutrals, so it's just perfect to bring with you if you like to do neutral looks, which I've been wanting to do more of lately. So I just figured I would bring these and hopefully get some nice use out of these palettes while on vacation. And of course I had to bring some colors, so I just created like this little color story here. It's not really a color story, it's more just me adding different shades that I feel like I want to play with. So we just have a variation of like Terra Moon's neons. We have a few of the Glam Shop Velvet shades. I have some pastel roses here. Then I have a few Tammy Tanuka shades actually, and also a few Sydney Grace shades. I think maybe these two are from Divina. These are from M Cosmetics, and this one and this one are from Luxie Beauty. And yeah, it's just a big mix of different shades that I might want to play with, and I feel like these are just very colorful and something I might reach for. And just to make sure I have enough mattes, I actually brought this palette, which I still haven't used. It's the Wicked palette from Unicorn Cosmetics, and it looks like this on the inside, so you do have quite a lot of different shades in here. You have quite a lot of mattes. You have all of these mattes, all of these mattes, and then you have some mattes and shimmers in the middle here. So I just figured that would like make sure that I have all the mattes that I need to create different looks. So I'm very happy to have this one with me, and maybe I will film a video with that too. It will definitely come sometime in the future, I just don't know when. But I just felt like this would be a nice addition to what I brought on my vacation. And then for brushes, I just brought this brush case thingy by Morphe. I think I bought some brush set from them ages ago, and I just kept this one and not the brushes really. I do have a couple brushes too much to fit in this, so I did bring this one is just some cheap thing from Wish that I use for my inner corner highlights. Then this one is from Sigma that I got gifted. It's the tapered highlighter brush, but I like to use this for powdering underneath my eye. And then you can see like from here to here we go from like all my eyeshadow brushes. So I have my glue brush, I have some for like packing on shimmers. I do have this one, which I mean I haven't cleaned any of these brushes, so please don't hate me for having all these dirty brushes in here. But this one is for when I use the brow laminate from Glam Shop, just a spoolie. Then we have some of, like all of these are basically my favorite brushes. I have mostly from Glam Shop. I have from What's Up Beauty, and then I didn't bring my Kaleidos ones just because I have so many in here. But those are also some of my favorites. But I did bring a few tapered ones. I brought a lot of like detailed brushes, which are mostly like these ones. This one is 022 from Glam Shop. It is just the perfect blending brush and to like wing out. This one I just used to pack on some lighter shade underneath my brow. It's GB13. And then the other brush here, which is one of my favorites, I've just gotten it. It was something I got gifted from Glam Shop. It's the 0-127. It's just so detailed and perfect. It's like a smaller version of that 0-122 brush, which I love. And also this one is new. It's the 0-126. This one is tapered and it's perfect for the crease. And I just have several of those kinds of brushes here. If you're interested in like hearing about my favorite brushes in a completely different video, then just tell me and I will see what I can do. But yeah, I just brought a lot of different brushes. Some bigger ones. This one I like to use to like blend underneath my eye after I've added my concealer and everything. And then we have these new brushes from Glam Shop. This I use for blush. This one is for powder. It's just the softest brush ever. T131. This one is the T130. And then I just brought a bunch of their other face brushes. I use this one for blush. Then I have their concealer brush that I use. And yeah, some foundation and contour brushes. So yeah, I don't want to spend too much time talking about this, and it's already been a little bit of a long video, so I think I will just end it right here. I hope that you found it interesting to see all of the things that I brought on vacation. I tried to like not bring too much because I tend to not do my makeup too often, but also I like to take advantage of my vacation to play with makeup. And you know I love to film my videos and I just hope to be able to do that, but I also need to take some time for myself and just chill and relax with my family, which I'm basically doing right now, except from when I'm filming this. Also, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa that I talked about in the beginning of this video. I just love this jewelry and you can just check them out from the link down below in my description box. And remember that I have the code MartasMakeup10 to give you 10% additional off their 20% summer sale. That's it for this video though, so I do hope that you enjoyed it, and please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll be going out with my family and my dog, and we will be going to the sea and go swimming and just enjoy ourselves. And then it's my birthday tomorrow, which I'm super excited about, which will probably be yesterday for you when I upload this. So yeah, I'm just very excited about my summer vacation. I hope that you are also able to enjoy your summer, and we will talk soon. Bye!